Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over how to add vendors to your KW website. So the first thing we want to do is log into our command website. From there, we want to navigate to our website's applet on the bottom left corner. And from there, we want to head into manage our website. Now, once we're here, we want to head into expert mode, okay? So that's where we're going to be able to make those additional enhancements to our website, including how we can add preferred vendors, okay? So we're going to head in expert mode in the top right-hand corner. That's going to open up our website dashboard. Now, once this loads, I'm going to point out one quick little thing right here where it says check out your website. This is where you want to make sure that the website you are making edits to is the correct website. If you're an agent that has access to the Market Center or team website, you want to make sure if you are not trying to make changes to the Market Center site or team site, that you're not doing so, okay? So if you have access to additional websites, you want to make sure the website you're seeing here is yours. If not, you can click up here. It should say your name, team name, or office name, and you can toggle between any websites you have access to, okay? Now moving on to editing our vendors that show up on our KW site. To edit those, we're going to come down to the default pages, and we're going to go into the page that says About. Now, once we open that, you're going to see that this is our About the Agent page. It's going to have our agent profile, our bio, our service areas, details. If you're on a team, it's going to have your team information, or if you've created a team. And then below that, we have our preferred vendors, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click that drop down. Now, once we're there, you're going to see that it says vendors are powered by MoveEasy. To set up an account or edit vendors, click this link. Please note it may take a few seconds to redirect you to your account, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click on that link, and we're going to give it a moment because, like I said, it takes a second. Once we do that, you're going to see we're brought into the MoveEasy for our account, and this is where we can go ahead and add vendors. We can edit any vendors we've previously added. We can remove vendors. We can just do whatever we need to here, okay? So to get started on adding a vendor, you're going to come up to the right-hand corner and click Add Vendor. Now from there, you can go ahead and enter the vendor name. So let's go ahead and do Scott Leroy Marketing. If we have the URL for Scott Leroy, so let's go ahead and grab his website right here. Paste that there. Contact name, let's do Scott Leroy. We're going to put the email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Enter their phone number. What type of vendor is this? Marketing. What counties? If you have those, you can include those. If you have a logo you'd like to include, okay? So you can add any of those details for a vendor, okay? And then we can go ahead and click Add Vendor. Also, you can have multiple vendors at the same time if you're using a file. It did wipe out our vendor. That's okay. Let's add it back really quick. Let's do Scott Leroy Marketing. Paste that URL again, Scott Leroy support. Oh gosh. I don't think it will use periods. Vendor type, marketing. Again, if we had the county as the logo, but then we're going to go ahead and click Add Vendor. And it's just thinking, so bear with it a moment. Now you'll see we have our vendor appearing here. We could go ahead and edit that vendor. We could remove that vendor, whatever the case may be. You can also download your vendors, okay? But once you've added that vendor, you should be able to come back over to your KW website. We should be able to see this. It may take a second to refresh and update, but there it is. We've got our vendor appearing under our preferred vendors, okay? So now we just want to go ahead and save this. And now we have our saved, and that will appear on our KW website under our About page. All right. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our team. Our email is support@scotlandroymarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.